In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can easily circle data that does not meet the data validation restrictions that you are trying to apply to it. So here we have some random data, and then just so we want to apply a data validation restriction to where we can only replace the existing data with values that are between 50 and 100. So to do this, first we want to go ahead and apply the data validation restriction. To do this, apply the data, go to the data tab, and then under the data tools group and click on the drop down and then click right here on the top on data validation. And then here you're going to want to go to the settings tab, and then you want to allow not any value but whole numbers between 50 and 100. Now click OK. As you can see, if we try to replace envy cells something with something that's not between 50 and 100, let's just say this 81 to a 31, it will not let us do it. But because the data was already there, we still have some values that are outliers that does not meet our restrictions. So to easily circle all these outliers, we can then hide the range again, go to the data tab, and then under the data tools grouping, click on data validation again, and then click on circle invalid data. Now, as you get this pop-up that says for accurate data validation auditing, your worksheet needs to be recalculated. Recalculate before auditing, yes, no, cancel. I'm going to click on yes, though that's not very relevant for this data because it is as values. But as you can see, all the data that does not meet the data validation restrictions that we just applied to it are now circled. And as we go through and we replace this data with valid data, so I just say this 30 to an 80, or this 22 to a 55, these circles will go away. Now, one thing to too, let's say we wanted to take away all these circles, so we can then go ahead to the data again, go to data, and the data tools, data validation, and then clear validation circles. As you can see, the circles are now gone. But this is a great trick that can help you easily identify cells that doesn't meet the data validation restrictions that you want to apply to it. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.